QR codes give a digital dimension to your products and services as they bring offline engagements into online conversions. Not having a QR code is a big loss of opportunity for innovative marketers.
In this video, we are going to show you how to create a QR code for all your messaging apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, Viber, Telegram, or WeChat. But before we do, why is it important for businesses like you to start working on your instant messaging strategy? Did you know that customers actually prefer texting with brands using the app of their choice? If you are in the services business, customers need a way to book appointments and ask questions about your service in real time. If you own a brand or a store, customers need an easier way to communicate. Email and SMS are outdated and old school. 2 billion messages are sent monthly through Messenger between companies and individuals. Although WhatsApp is the world leader and is used in 104 countries, users may have their own preferred instant messaging app. So how can you make it easier for your customers to message you easily? Meet QR codes. QR codes are the ultimate solution to great customer experience. With just one scan and a tap, people can message you using the app of their choice. If you are focused on only one messaging app, users won't need to type your number before they can actually start messaging you. With just one scan, your profile will open up, and users can begin with their business transaction. How to create a WhatsApp QR code? To create a WhatsApp QR code, you will need to first find your link. For personal profiles, your WhatsApp link will look like this. Go to any of your phone's internet browser and type wa.me/, then the country code of your contact person. And continue with your contact person's number. For business profiles, it's easier and more convenient. Simply go to Business Tools, then click on Short Link and copy your link. If you have a group and want to invite users to join your business group instead, simply scroll down. Tap on Invite to Group via link and note down your group invite link. Next, head over to QR Tiger. You will need to sign up for an account. Paste your link on the URL field and select Dynamic QR to make sure you can edit and track your QR codes. Start a free trial with QR Tiger today and get 3 free dynamic QR codes. Click on Generate QR code. Customize your QR code. Choose the patterns. Set your eyes. Add your brand logo. And even set your brand colors. You can choose to add a frame, and add call to actions like message us. Click on Done Editing to download your QR code. If you have more than one messaging app, you can create a social media QR code to link all your messaging profiles in one place. How to create an instant messaging QR code. Go to QR Tiger, then click on Social Media. Add a header text like Message Us, and even a description text that states your address and availability. In the icons below, click on the messaging app of your choice. You can include WhatsApp, WeChat, Viber, and even other methods like email or Skype. Simply fill in the fields with your ID or numbers. If you have more profiles in the future, you don't need to worry, because social media QR codes can be edited even when you've already printed your QR code, saving you time and money. Click on Generate Dynamic QR Code. Customize your QR code. Choose the patterns. Set your eyes. Add your brand logo. And even set your brand colors. You can choose to add a frame and add call to actions like message us. Then click on Done Editing to download your QR code. Conclusion: if you haven't started on your instant messaging strategy, then you are losing business. Classic text messages have become a thing of the past. The generation today relies on online instant messaging. Create an all-in-one social media QR code today to link all your business numbers in one page. And remember to choose dynamic QR codes to make sure you can edit your QR code, even when it's already printed. If you're looking for the most innovative ways you can market your business or brand, subscribe to the QR Tiger channel and learn how to use QR codes successfully. Cheers!